In this video, we are to compute ARIMA 214. That means autoregressive integrated moving average of order 214. Of course, we should recall the solution. For more on this topic, you can subscribe to this channel. We should recall that from ARIMA model, that means ARIMA PDQ. This is our autoregressive and this is our moving average of order P, DQ. This of order P, why this is the difference, and this is of order Q for the moving average, why order P for auto regressive models. Then our model can be written as 5B, this is P, our differencing XT is equal to theta B ET, where ET is the white noise process, and this is of order Q. So when comparing, this is P of order P, this is our differencing, this is our Q. We can compare it with what we have here. Of course, this means 5P B is equal to 1 minus phi 1 B minus phi 2 B2 into 5E B2. And we have our differencing as 1 minus B. We also have the moving average, which is theta of order Q B to be equal to 1 plus theta 1 B plus theta 2 B2 plus, it continues that way to give us theta of order Q B of order Q. So this is it. The next thing to do is for we to compare this and this, and compute ARIMA 214 in this pattern. So ARIMA 214, if we write it here, ARIMA 214 can be written as, for our order P, that means the autoregressive part of order P, we have it to be 1 minus phi 1, it's supposed to be B1 minus phi 2 B squared. This is what we have. Because it's of order 2, so we have to stop here. Now, our differencing is 1. Our differencing 1. So we have 1 minus B raised to the power of 1, which is the same thing as 1 minus B. Also, we have our moving average of order 4. Moving average of order 4. So this is our Q. This is P. This is the Q part. Now, we have for our Q part, that means the MA part, moving average of order 4. We can write it as 1 plus, because we said it's positive here. Look at it. 1 plus theta 1B. So 1 plus theta 1 B1 plus theta 2 B2 plus theta 3 B3 plus theta 4 B4. So this is what we have. This is what we have. The next thing to do is to put this in the ARIMA model. To put it in this way, this pattern. Of course, we have our autoregressive for 1 minus file 1b minus file 2b squared into 1 minus b xt to be equal to this part. We have 1 plus theta 1b plus theta 2b squared plus theta 3b 3 plus theta 4b 4 into, then our et is here. Our et will be here, which is the white noise process. So with this, we note that 1 minus b xt is the same thing as 1 is the same thing as xt minus xt minus 1 because of the backward shift, which is equal to xt prime. So we can now write this out properly. We can now write our model out properly. How do we do that? We'll say xt prime is equal to, now we can write this, because of, if we multiply this and this, we get a constant c, plus, then for this we have phi 1 x t minus 1, and for this we have plus, we are moving this to this part so that it will be very easy for we to compute, plus, that is why we have positive sign now, phi 2 x t minus 2 plus, that's done, because we have of order 2. We now move over to this side. If we multiply et with 1, we get et plus theta 1 et minus 1 plus theta 2 et minus 2 plus theta 3 et minus 3 plus theta 4 et minus 4. So this becomes our ARIMA 214 model. Our ARIMA 214 model can now be written as this. So this is our model. Also, since we have xt1, xt2, we can also put the whole of this, which is the whole of this, into this. We can do that. But that is our model. So move over to this side for me to explain what I've just said. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So this can also be written as xt minus xt minus 1 is equal to, we have our constant plus phi 1 xt minus xt minus 1, because they are the time series values, plus phi 2 xt minus xt minus 1 plus et plus theta 1 et minus 1 plus theta 2 et minus 2 plus theta 3 et minus 3 plus theta 4 et minus 4. So it can also be written as this. So this is simply how we can compute the ARIMA 214 model. It's very simple. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.